many of us who work in our Teslas, we normally have a laptop in our laps or an iPad. And let me show you how with the Jowua Foldable Car Tray, we can work with even more comfort in our Teslas. Let me put my iPad aside. So the very first thing is these trays can be stored underneath the back seat of a Model Y or Model X or our frunk. So you can see it's folded, really easy to install, very subtle with the Jowua logo on the side. It comes in several colors. To install it, all you need to do is just unfold it like that and just place it here. So you can see that the sides are curved to allow you to basically anchor it on the seat handle so it's really stable and steady. Then you can put your device to work. Let's say my iPad over here. I can put my water bottle over here and you get a really comfortable tray. On top of that, I can also eat here. The benefit for Tesla owners is that when we're working in the car, we're waiting to pick up our kids, this creates a very nice, comfortable workstation versus having it in our lap or putting it in the center console, which isn't that much space, especially if you have a larger laptop. The other main benefit of this tray is that it also works on the passenger side. And especially when the car is moving, when it's driving on the road trip, the passenger can read a book, can play on a Nintendo Switch, very versatile. This can also work in the rear seats with an additional optional attachment. And when you're done with everything, just put all your products aside and do the reverse. You unfold it, you can see there's a hinge here, the high quality hinge that allows you to unfold it. So this is very sturdy. And again, if you're in a Model Y, just keep it underneath your rear seats. Let me know what you think about the Jowua Foldable Car Tray. If you find it useful, you can click on the link in the video description for 5% off.